Mustafa. Today's topic is about science subject. Science subject in this subject have many kinds of materials that can be learned by us. And now I will talk about some materials that is optic. Optic there is many kinds. It's in mirror, lens, and the tools. In the mirror, there is three types: flat mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. Which in flat mirror, the characteristics is virtual magnification is 1 and upright, while concave, the, the form is a real and inverted image, and for the convex, the, the image is virtual and upright image. Then, in a concave mirror, the focus point is in front of the mirror, which can make the value of the focal point on the concave mirror must be positive. And for the convex mirror, the focus point is behind the mirror, which the value of the focal point on the convex mirror is negative. That must be negative. Then and then now go to the lens. Lens there is two kinds, concave and convex. In concave, the focus point must negative, while the convex, the focus point must be positive, which the concave lens, the image is virtual and an inverted image, while convex lens is real and upright image. Then the formula of the formula of to find the lens or mirrors or focal points is 1 per focal point equals 1 per s plus 1 per s absent. S, the mean is the length of the object from the mirror or lens, while the S absent means the length of the image from the lens or the mirror. Then another day, to find a focal is can by 1 per 2 times r, which r is 2 times from f, and f is the half of r. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.